Aside from my soul, what's going on? It's your boy Serrano, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for subscribing, and if you're new, make sure you go ahead and you hit the bell icon on your way in, and make sure you guys stay locked in, and I'll see you right after this. Peace. We do have the box right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the unboxing knife right now, because right now we are in the unboxing station. So let's go ahead and let's get this side. Alright, so here you can see this is the box right here. So we're gonna go ahead and take that out of the package. Alright, so we do have the package right here. Wow, so just read this right here. It does say right here at the top, it does say Huawei right here, and then it also does say the Y7 2019 right here. Dewdrop, and this is the 6.26 inch display. As you can see right here, there's very minimal bezel. Let's turn it over to the left side, and you can see it says Huawei Y7 2019 right here, and then on the back side you can see right here it does have some logos right here. On the right side we're getting the Huawei Y7 2019. On the bottom, getting right here B2, B4, B5, B7, and B28. So I believe this is going to work on Metro by T-Mobile and Cricket Wireless. Okay guys, so this device does have a 6.26 inch HD plus Dewdrop display is what they're claiming. It also has a 3 gigabytes of RAM plus 32 gigabytes of ROM with the Qualcomm Octa-Core processor, which is actually the 450. So this is a phone that is $179 flat. You're also going to get Face Unlock 2.0 with eyes protection and all new easy mode with a 4000 mAh big battery. Alright guys, so let's cut open the box, but first let me read you some key features. So we are actually getting the Huawei Y7 2019. Inside the hood is a Octa-Core 1.8 gigahertz ARM Cortex-A53 CPU. We're also getting a chipset that is Qualcomm Snapdragon 450. We're also getting the GPU that is the Qualcomm Adreno 506, 13 megapixel plus a 2 megapixel with LED and AF dual rear camera with a 16 megapixel front camera. So right here you can see right here what's included. When you first open the box, you are seeing it's saying right here the Dewdrop, and then it's saying 6.26 inches. Let's get a feel in the hand really quickly. Feel in the hand is actually pretty nice. It's not really heavy, but it does have a really nice feel in the hand to it. And shout out to Tech Leads. I'm actually watching their stream while doing this unboxing. Kind of feels like my Stylo 4. That's the reason I picked up this device, because it has about the same exact height almost. And wow, this actually is the almost the exact identical dimensions. So let me show you this on the other camera. Alright, so let's just slide this right out of the slip right here, and then you can see they do have a sticker over top of here and also another one right here, and you can see the back right here. There also is a fingerprint sensor, which actually has like a metal look to it. It's almost like metallic color. Then you're getting those cameras right here, which is a 13 megapixel and a 2 megapixel LED and AF dual rear camera. Also right here on the left side, we're getting the SIM tray right here, and you could just go ahead. It also comes with the SIM card, right? The SIM tray remover right there. Also on the bottom right here, you're getting you can see what looks to be like Type C, or we're gonna see what that is actually when we open the box. Also, we're probably getting a speaker right here and another microphone right there. Taking a look at the top, you do see that we are getting a headphone jack and another microphone. So this thing actually looks really cool. Also, let's take a look right here. We are getting textured power button right here, which is actually really cool. And also a volume rocker right over top of it. So those actually feel really solid. Let's go ahead and put this off to the side and see what else comes in the box. Okay guys, so in the box you're getting the USB charging cord, the headphones, the wall brick, which is actually standard charging, so no quick charge on this one. And then you're also getting the pamphlet right here that actually comes, whoa, I wasn't expecting that whatsoever. So you're getting a screen protector right here. You're getting, whoa, so that's the SIM tray remover tool. You're also getting, what's this, quick start guide right here. Put that to the side, and you are getting right here warranty card. So there it is. We do get the warranty card, guys. And then this really nice case right here that actually comes with the purchase, and it's actually free of charge. So a nice clear TPU case. And it does actually have branding right here. Alright, let's go ahead and see what the SIM tray looks like. So let's go ahead and open that up. So you are getting 2 slots with the SD card to actually get additional storage. On the back side, we are getting, as you could see right here, nano it says, and no micro. And then you can see right here, they do show you the configuration. Let's go ahead, you can see AI camera right here on deck. Let's go ahead, peel this sticker right off. Wow, so you are getting a black polycarbonate case phone right here. So it's actually plastic, the polycarbonate material, which is actually pretty cool. Alright, so I'm gonna hold down the power button right now. Let's go ahead and give it some juice. Right here you can see it says Huawei, powered by Android, and you can see the feel in the hand is really nice. You can see I could reach to the top if I wanted to, go down to the bottom. It's actually a really nice feel in the hand. You can see those cameras, you're getting right here the 13 megapixel and then the 2 megapixel AI camera. Right here it says Huawei here, and a little branding right there down below. Now on my 8X Max it says Honor right here, so this is definitely the Huawei branding versus the Honor branding. So you can see right here it does say MUI, and that screen is powering on. You can see right here it does say choose your language, so we're gonna go ahead and select English. Then it says here choose what region, so we're gonna go ahead and select the United States. Down below, there we go. So now let's just go ahead and click get started right here. You can see terms and conditions. Let's go ahead and accept that, click next. Insert SIM card. My SIM card is actually in the Honor right now, so we're gonna do that next in the next video, so make sure you just stay locked in. Alright, so now we're gonna skip that option and we're gonna go ahead, and it says, do you want to connect to the Wi-Fi networks? Let's go ahead and skip that option for now. And it says right here Google services, we're gonna accept and skip right here. Wait, let's see, enable services. Let's allow that. No thanks. So it does say all set right now, so let's go ahead and click that button. The screen does look pretty good. Wow, that does look really nice and really sharp. Yeah, that looks really good so far. Like the MUI standard interface right here, so that actually looks cool. Let's go to the text messages and see right here. If we choose the text message, you do get the emojis right here. Skin complexions, oh yes you can. There you go. So you got that option right there. Look at the home screen options right here. It says pinch 2 fingers together to manage the home screen option. Or you could just hold down, you get the wallpapers right here. And whoa, these are pretty cool. Here's some wallpapers. These are different from my Honor wallpapers. I actually like these a little bit better than the wallpapers that were provided for the Honor. But you can see right here, you're getting a nice variety of wallpapers, which is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and select widgets. So you can see you're getting a lot of widgets right here. And this phone feels pretty snappy so far. No stutters so far. It feels pretty cool. You can actually change the animations if you wanted to, so please do that. And you also do get right here home screen layout, so you can actually lock home screen, align, auto align, shake to realign all the icons, badge app icons, app suggestions, search results, app, home screen loop, and you can make it loop, Google feed as well. So you can actually adjust it if you don't want the notch, which is pretty cool. So a lot of people don't like the notch, but it definitely doesn't bother me, especially that Dewdrop one doesn't actually look bad whatsoever. You can actually adjust the screen to your personal preference. Sleep and activity, you can actually set that up to your personal liking. 23 available, which is actually pretty cool. And let's go ahead, clear some of this out, clean up. So you can see right here, it does have like this built-in option, and you can see it says if I wanted to optimize anything, I could actually go ahead and do so. And so let's go back right here, and then let's just go to navigation, system navigation, because right here, if you go to system navigation, you can actually get gestures right here. So if I wanted to go back with this option, it actually gives me that option, so I don't have to worry about like buttons, because it's actually giving me all the gestures. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile data, sound, auto rotate, Huawei share, airplane mode, flashlight, location, screenshot, ride mode, which is actually pretty cool, hotspot, ultra battery savings mode, navigation dock, micro share, do not disturb, screensaver, eye comfort, and nearby. As you guys can see and appreciate, we do have the Huawei Y7 2019 right here. You can see right here we are getting that 16 megapixel camera with the 2 megapixel underneath for taking portrait. You are getting LED right here, which is definitely pretty cool. Also ambient light, proximity sensor, accelerometer, and the fingerprint sensor. That fingerprint sensor actually looks pretty cool. It's like a metal color. We're gonna go ahead and set it up right now, and we're gonna go to the home style right here, and then we're gonna go to the drawer, and now we actually do have the app drawer. Photo, answer a call, stop alarm, slide gesture for like the top notification bar. You could slide that down with the fingerprint sensor, and browse photos when viewing photos in full mode. Swipe left with the fingerprint sensor. And so that sounds pretty cool. We're gonna actually do all of those options. Here's the fingerprint to unlock your device, access safe, right there. And then it says you do get access lock app, and you could right here click new fingerprint. So right here, we're gonna go ahead and enroll a fingerprint. Right here, you can see the fingerprint sensor. We're gonna go ahead and tap the fingerprint sensor right now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It says complete full. Okay, there we go. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 chances right there. So that's actually pretty cool. Let's just go ahead and select face unlock right here. After enrolling your face, you can unlock your device by looking at the screen. Face unlock also lets you keep the full content of the lock screen notifications concealed from everyone but you. To speed up the enrollment, make sure that the camera lens is clean and your face is unobstructed. Enroll your face in a well-lit area from direct sunlight. So let's go ahead and clean off the camera and we're going to get that started. Alright. And then click agree. Alright, so that was actually really quick. Later on, let me know what you guys think about the unboxing of the Y7 2019. Make sure you guys stay locked in so you can actually check out the full 1 or 2 week after video in some more detail where I'll be going through a ton more of the features. But that's it for now. It's your boy Serrano. Make sure if you found this video helpful in any way possible that you hit the like button. Every single like helps the channel, so make sure you hit the like button and get notified when new videos will be released to the channel. In the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, depending where you are. Have a great night. Peace. Alright, so let's go ahead and test out the fingerprint sensor. Well, that's really quick. That's just as fast as the Honor 8X Max fingerprint sensor. Just maybe, yeah, just it's the same amount of speed there. It's really fast. Now let's try the facial recognition. Yeah, so that's actually really fast as well, just as good as the Honor 8X Max facial recognition. Okay guys, so I did actually enter all my Google accounts in here, put my SIM card in here, which has 4G LTE, which is the Cricket wireless SIM. I would have did the Metro by T-Mobile, but it takes a little bit longer. So we're gonna catch you guys on the next video. Make sure you stay locked in, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.